Okay, hey kids, Wolf Timber's back. And today, our urban legend, if we put shotgun shells and we fill them with things like Skittles, Starbursts, or Jolly Ranchers, and we fire them at a ballistic head. I'm not even trying to, you know what? I'll set the gun down. And we fire them at a ballistic head. Pow! Wee! Blah! Will anybody actually watch my video?
Nah.
Cameraman Chris says no. Don, what's your bets?
Maybe.
Don's gives a definite, unconfirmative maybe. Yeah, says the guy who, we're at the prison the other day and he's going, hey, this was built about 1920s. Turns out the fucker was right too, but okay, that was a whole different story. I won't even go into the whole thing with the chapel and the structure. What was about the structure in the chapel? Had one big beam or something? I don't know. But either way, a definite maybe. First, we're going to try one of these at a pumpkin.
Actually, well. This.
Yeah, well, okay.
Seconds.
Either way, we're going to try one of these at a pumpkin, kind of to gauge what's going on. Then we got one of these with a crimp still attached.
Come on.
See if it makes any difference. So, the urban legend. If some idiot shoves random things into a shotgun shell, will he get more than 6 views? We got a no and a definite maybe. Okay, are we on the pumpkin? Nobody wants to see the back of my hairy neck, so...
Alright, I can zoom in on it.
Okay, yeah, let's zoom in on the pumpkin. Alright, are your cameras good?
Yep.
Alright.
Well, surprisingly, it wasn't that far off.
No, we hit a pumpkin.
Alright.
Question is, did we go through the pumpkin?
Hey Don, can I get your help? You're going to want to take that camera and film his other side. Because I got to carry both these.
This did not even go through the pumpkin.
It didn't go through?
No.
Okay.
Should we try it about this distance?
Yeah. So apparently it doesn't go through at, what, 8 yards?
Went through that time. I aimed dead center and hit the same corner.
So it's going high and to the right. And did it go through?
Now at that distance we did not get full penetration, but we do have a hole.
Huh.
Wait, no, don't go out by the acres. Oh, we got a graze mark on the bottom here. So we did get some kind of spread pattern.
Well,
oh, you cracked a pumpkin.
Well,
actually,
well,
so now we know.
Expected. Yeah.
So now we know what Skittles will do to a pumpkin.
Okay,
but it did have a lot more power, like, at the muzzle. So
we're going to move this back. And I'm going to throw the atlatl at the pumpkin because I've never thrown a pumpkin or atlatl at a pumpkin before.
I say you should shoot the at least one Jolly Rancher at it.
Oh, shoot a Jolly Rancher?
See if
I'll shoot a Jolly Rancher at the pumpkin.
so churn it, yeah. and shoot one Jolly Rancher.
Alright. We're going to shoot a Jolly Rancher.
And then maybe you want to do the Starburst, or?
You know what? We can always reload them for the head.
Are you going to shoot a Starburst? Oh, a Starburst at the head?
Well, after the Skittles.
Oh.
Okay, so we're going to try a Jolly Rancher and a Starburst. Alright, are we on the pumpkin?
One
Yeah.
Jolly Rancher and a 20 gauge due to pumpkin. It veers off and just wings the side.
Anyway, Jolly Rancher.
Wait a minute. Was one of those a Starburst?
One was a Starburst, one was a Jolly... First was Starburst, second Jolly Rancher.
Oh, okay. You made a face. Did you mean to make a face?
Oh, you made a Picasso.
Well, look at that. Keith is pumpkin carving. So, that is Jolly Rancher. And that is a Starburst.
We got eyebrows.
Oh, the Starburst needs to go in.
There we go, dude.
Oh, did?
Yeah, there's a hole.
Yeah.
See? There's a hole.
Yeah. No exits.
No exits.
Giant crack.
No. Okay, well, I'm going to move the pumpkin and throw some darts. Seeing as how I'm too lazy to edit, we're going to just move it. As the film crew films, and we were supposed to assist.
Why are you putting it up there? Why wouldn't you just put it on the ground?
Well, you know what? I don't know.
Okay.
Aren't you supposed to write that on the chalkboard now in big letters? I don't know. No, wait, you're not Mr. Hand. Never mind.
No. I've been called handy before. Is that different?
I'm not violating community standards with that joke. Okay. Now we got one miss. Whoops. Two miss.
I feel very festive right now. It is the pumpkin-y time of the year.
Here we got bright colors on our feathers.
Oh, you definitely have a pull to the right.
Yeah, I've been noticing that.
Plus, it's windy today, so you can blame it on that.
Coriolis effect.
Yeah.
I'm going with Coriolis effect. Somebody prove me wrong.
Damn, Corey. Oh, so close.
One of these days I will get a hit. Yeah, like
Probably not today.
Yeah, well, like one of these days I'll get a video with over 12 views on it. That was just a shit throw.
You want to try one more time?
Yeah, I'm gonna try one more dart.
Just pick up all of them and try one more time. You're already down there.
Yeah, might as well. Yeah, shit, broke that one again. I got 3 stuck into the board.
Well, that's the end of my targets.
Yeah. If anyone's wondering why ancient man developed things like firearms, this could be a lot to do with why, yeah, we got another broken dart.
Oh. Well, don't throw the broken one. It's already broken.
Well,
It's not gonna fly. Watch
this is
this.
a demonstration of a broken dart.
Yeah, it goes wherever the fuck it wants.
See, that's why you don't throw broken darts. I wasn't just throwing that gratuitously.
Well, that one's broken too.
No, it's not.
Oh.
It doesn't look that way.
Oh, fuck. It was right there.
I know. So irritating. Sad thing is,
You are getting really fucking
right
close.
around it.
Uh,
Oh, this is going to be the final one. Final round.
damn.
Right through the hole, though. I can get it in the hole, but can't hit a pumpkin.
Well, aim at the hole and you'll hit the pumpkin.
Ah. Okay, let the jokes fly.
Wow, you went through the hole again.
I know, it's like... I mean, if I was throwing at something like a woolly mammoth, I'd be okay.
Huh. Go figure.
Maybe we need a bigger pumpkin.
Well, that pumpkin's great. Damn. Happy Halloween.
Okay, so, there you have it, kids. Atlatls and pumpkins are not your friend. So remember that. If you're atlatling, do not pumpkin. That makes no sense. Okay, that's a cut.